Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get extra lives in Candy Crush. One excellent method involves connecting with friends through the game's social features. You can simply ask your connected friends to send you lives directly, and many are happy to help out. This strategy allows you to quickly gain up to 5 free lives, which can be replenished throughout your gameplay sessions. It's a very quick way to keep playing without waiting. Always remember to return the favor for your friends. This method is highly effective for continuous play. Another dependable way to acquire more lives is through the game's automatic regeneration system. A new life will automatically appear every 30 minutes, up to a maximum of 5 lives at any one time. If you are eager to play right away, you can temporarily adjust your device's date and time settings forward by a few hours. Remember to change them back afterwards to prevent any potential disruptions with other applications. This can immediately refill your life bar. Connecting your game to a social media platform is key for maximizing your life supply. Once connected, a dedicated Ask for Lives button becomes available within the game interface. Tapping this button sends a request to all your active friends who also play Candy Crush. They can then send you a life with just a simple tap, and you will receive it almost instantly. This collaborative approach makes getting lives much easier, fostering a helpful community spirit among players. Regularly participating in the various in-game events and challenges offers fantastic rewards, including free lives. The game frequently hosts special limited-time events that provide lives as completion bonuses. Additionally, simply logging in each day grants you access to daily login bonuses, which often include a life or valuable boosters. Don't forget to spin the daily booster wheel for another chance to win extra lives or other helpful power-ups. These consistent efforts truly add up.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.